Okay, all right, language explorers. So let's look at today's noun on Monday. So, person, person. Someone seen as an individual. Individual, a human being. Human being. That person. That person. A person over there. So, he is an important person. I am a person. You are another person. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. Did you see that person over there? Did you see that person over there? Yeah. It was made by different people. There are a lot of people here. He is a person, but they are people. Person, people. So that means that the singular is person, one, singular, and people is people, plural. Yes, there's a lot of people here. You could say there's different persons here, but people makes rolls off the tongue a little nicer. Persons, yes, more formal. These persons are in trouble. Those persons on the list are in trouble. The people on the list are in trouble. The people on the list are in trouble. The persons on the list are in trouble. The persons articulated on the list are in trouble. But to most native speakers indeed, they would know what you mean straight away. Persons, people. Okay? So, these people were in charge. I knew the person in charge. These people that are in charge don't know what they're doing. They don't know what they're doing. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Yes. How cool is that? So, can you see that person? Yes, I can see those. I can see that person. Those people can see me too. I can see that person, and those people can see me too. Yeah, we can see each other. We can see each other. Yes. Yeah. Soon that person will go there. I think that person is coming here. That person on the list, or that person is not meant to be. Not meant to be on the list. No, on this list. No. Yeah. Only the right people are allowed to enter. Allowed to enter. Come on in. Enter. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, person. Yeah. I am a person. I am a person. You are a person. We are people. I am a person. You are a person. We are people. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, person, yes. So, can you use person in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos on the way. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Yeah. When you search for English with Adrian. English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. Search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah, Udemy. How cool is that? Yeah. So how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.